welcome to our home. Just kidding, I'm not from the South, but we are in Nashville. Come on in. This is our Showroom Design Studio. This is a place where clients are able to come, collaborate on different projects, see our different finishes and create a palette, but also a place to see what we do and touch up all the things. One of the many reasons people stop by our showroom. This is the Beast, or better known as the wall bed. This one particularly is our vertical tilt with a desk and also a shelf here, but we have many other configurations. Super simple to maneuver, just pull it down. The biggest thing people are surprised by is just how comfortable they are. This is one of our 2 design centers here at the showroom. This one specifically is our contemporary closet. Being that closets is what kind of put us on the map here at California Closets, it's nice to sit in here, feel like you're actually in a closet. While we're collaborating together, you get to actually see the different styles, finishes, and all the different elements that make up the closet. This one specifically, a couple things that you'll see. We have our 1 1/8" material, so that there is just a little bit more substantial than a standard material, as well as our inset drawers and doors. Again, just making for a very elevated look here. Is in our Cool Avenue finish, one of our dark and moodier finishes. A lot of people are afraid to bring in those dark finishes, especially in places that have no natural light. I would argue that that's actually probably a place you really should do it. We really did play with lighting here. You can see we have both up and down lighting, as well as lighting there at the top. The thought was, rather than just having harsh lighting, we did also want you to be able to see the glow and illumination. One of my favorite spaces to design is the garage. That is not a space I spend very much time in, so I like to have a little bit of a challenge. This one in particular is in our shadow black finish, one of my favorite colors. Something about the garage is that they are all off the floor. They have leveler legs. A garage is a space that is not always flat, and also somewhere that you don't want water to get into the system. So we've kind of thought of everything. And then we also have the fusion track wall. This is a space meant to hang all of those large items that you might not exactly know where to go. For example, a ladder, shovels, leaf blowers, you name it.